Hi, I just want to quickly introduce to you one of my favorite coping tools. This is a weighted prop or a breathing pillow. It weighs between 5 and 12 pounds. It can be used for really intense emotions, to help regulate emotions, be with them, and move through them with a bit more ease. It induces a relaxation response. You can buy these and then fill them with rice or sand, or make one. You can also just use a bag of rice and look around and see what you can find. How you use this is you just lie on your back and you place this on your belly just below the diaphragmatic muscle, and just breathe naturally, just noticing the breath and feeling the weight. It accentuates the breath a bit. And then if you'd like, you can begin to deepen the breath by just like filling the belly a bit more, feeling that expansion and the release. If there's any strain, just soften back to the natural breath just as it is. And if there's any discomfort, just know that you can remove that at any time and just come back to the natural breath lying on your back. Let me know if you have any questions.